So guys, let's make a new project. Tap on bottom left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one, select the green tick. So we are inside our main project. Now suppose you want to add border progress bar around this video. For that, go to pip. Then here we have a 5-minute green screen video. You can download it from the video description. Tap, hold, drag this corner in angle to rotate. Look for cutout. Then chroma. Tap, hold, drag the circle. Increase strength and shadow. Back to the main timeline. As you can see, our progress bar duration is 5 minutes. To reduce the duration, go to speed. Then increase the speed. And check if it's okay or not. Lastly, to change the color of the progress bar, go to filter, adjust, curve, then just play with the curves. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.